Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin keeps proving predictions right. Yesterday, I highlighted how we anticipated a breakout from the blue dotted horizontal line at 84.6K, pushing into the red box of late short liquidation leverage between 86.5K and 87K, with targets set at 88.6 to 90K. And what happened? Price action ripped straight through that red liquidity box, hitting the first blue horizontal line at 88.6K. It peaked at $88,756 before getting rejected. As expected, after a rejection at key resistance, Bitcoin retraced back to the middle of the red liquidity box at 86.6K, where it is currently consolidating. Looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, market makers might target levels further down, around 84.4K, 83.7K, and 83.5K. However, the 2-week liquidation heat map tells a different story. Liquidity is sparse on the way down, making it simpler to push prices higher. Above 88.8K, we have a hot target of $293 million in short liquidation leverage waiting to be collected. Compare that to the $600 to $700 million below, which requires a roughly 6% drop to liquidate. Why push the market down hard when you can move up 2.5% and achieve the same result? With market sentiment shifting from extreme fear to neutral, an upward move seems more efficient. I had a stop market order at 86.4K to take profits, fearing a round trip of 86.1K failed to hold. My trade closed at $86,076, a harsher exit than expected for Binance. Despite the premature close, profits are profits. In today's choppy market, it's better to secure gains before volatility strikes. On the institutional side, Bitcoin ETFs saw inflows of plus $84.2 million today. Fidelity led the pack with plus $82.9 million, while BlackRock, Bitwise, and VanEck followed. Interestingly, ARK sold $41 million. Michael Saylor also stayed true to his word, acquiring 6,911 BTC for approximately $584.1 million at an average price of $84,529 per Bitcoin. As of March 23, 2025, MicroStrategy holds 506,137 BTC acquired for roughly $33.7 billion at an average price of $66,608. You can track this neatly on sailortracker.com. I will keep you updated daily. Join our free Discord, hit the like button, and click subscribe with the notification bell for daily updates. And see you in the next one.